Da, da, da.
Jayden, are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, stop, stop.
Okay, let's go.
No, I gotta put this, I gotta fix. Okay, you got that. Do we have everything? You gonna grab this for me too?
Sure.
Hold on, hold on.
Whoa. Wait, what?
Put that in your pocket. I actually won't fit in your pocket. I'll put it in mine.
Okay.
Let's see.
Oh, what's a barbecue thing?
You'll see. Let's go.
Smells like barbecue.
It's because it's got smoke. I think you're a little excited, Jayden. What'd you say?
I know I am. I'm gonna put it towards them.
Hey guys, so Jayden wanted to come and help me check on the bees today.
Hello.
Hey, you need to be calm, okay? Can't make any sudden movements. All right, buddy? He's really excited. Stop being a dork. All right.
What about this?
All right. I need to fix that water.
There's
Okay.
2 bees died in there.
Yeah, I know, because I need to fix it. So we're just going to open this up. And you have to... They have this stuff called propolis. And it's sticky. Okay?
Okay.
And it sticks.
I left that up.
Hang on, let me get it over the top.
And look at this one. Doesn't seem like it's one.
Alright.
Smells good. Oh my gosh.
Yep,
How many bees do we get?
a lot.
That's how much.
A lot. Go ahead and smoke them.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, be careful. Hey, just keep it straight. There you go. Oh, it's a little windy. Go on this side.
Whoa.
Yeah, come on. Okay, that's good. That's good, that's good. Jayden and Eli, you gonna listen to me or not?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Is that the stuff that's sticky?
That's propolis.
The propolis.
Yep. Wow.
Can I take one of them off?
Hang on. I forgot that tool. Wow, they've been busy. Holy moly.
Wait, I forgot to smoke the top.
Yeah, you did it already. It's okay. Let me try this side. See how much stuff is there?
Dang, I think we got 2 million.
2 million?
Yeah. There's so much.
Let's move the camera slightly closer.
We got 2 million.
He thinks we have 2 million bees. I don't think it's that many.
Hi, bees. Want to touch my finger? And one of them might want to walk on my finger.
Okay. Trying to move these because there's a lot of honey in here and I don't want to.
Hey, can I move that one out?
No, you gotta do it slow. Any sudden movements and they don't like it.
So if I do this?
Yeah, they won't like it.
Hey, does more of it want to
There
go on
we
my
go.
finger?
I'm sure they will.
Let's see. So move them so slowly.
Yes. All right, I think, hold that.
Okay.
Oh wait, hang on.
I want to do the first one. How do I do it?
You,
Do that
no,
to get the thing out. Well,
I'm going to, no. Let me do it first,
I'm gonna pull
okay?
this. Oh my neck. Have you gotten stung?
I have not. So they are starting to grow. build their cones here. You see that?
Uh-huh.
All right, give me that metal thing that you had over there.
Okay.
No, sorry, the other one. Yep. And we're going to set it on the hive like this so that we can, oh, look at that.
That's a whole bunch of honey.
Yeah, well, just wait. Okay, I need that tool.
Ooh, can I do the second one?
So what you need to do, okay, hold it, go in between here.
Okay.
Oh, and then just separate it. This one's going to be really heavy, so you cannot pick this one up. Okay? See how you did that?
Yeah.
All right.
So
I'm gonna put it up, but you can do this one when we put it up. But you see how there's so much stuff? This one's too heavy. You will not be able to. Look at that.
Ooh.
You're in front of the camera, buddy.
Oh.
It's okay. Isn't that a lot? Look at this side.
That's a whole bunch of honey.
Yes. It is a lot. There's still room, so that's good. I wish I had a place that was higher.
What about this one? Can I do this one?
Yes, it looks way less. Okay, give me the tool.
Okay.
Okay, do me a favor. And come over here on this side. Because you don't want to work in front of the entrance, and the entrance is right there. Okay? So go like that. Now separate it. Do that. Reach over. All right.
Okay.
Now go ahead and grab it.
This is gonna be hard.
Yep. Yes, it will be hard, but you can do it. Okay.
Whoa, they're trying to
Bit
get
slow. You went too fast. Okay. You got it? Can you see it? All right. So they're working on this one still. This one's much lighter.
Ooh, can I try to put one on my hand?
If they want to land on it, that's fine, but just let them be. But you see? All right, so these ones we're just going to move over, okay? Where's the tool, baby?
Oh, it's over here.
Okay, so do the same thing on this one. This one's heavier, so I think I'm going to do this one. Yep. Get it right in there. There you go. Go slower, okay? With bees, you have to be slow, okay? There you go. Good job. Very good. Now go ahead and set the tool down. I'm going to lift this one up because one, it's broken right here, and two, this one's really heavy, okay?
Okay. That's a whole bunch.
Yes. And see, on this one, there's capped brood. Capped brood, I'm pretty sure is what they... Oh, there's bees down there, so I don't want to do that. So,
It might sting
look in
you.
those little things right there. Do you see little larvas? Little babies? They're going to be white. And, okay, over here, those ones are really young. Okay, I can't really see.
Wait, I want to see these really young ones.
They're right there. I think they're... Actually, no. Those ones are older. Okay, so yeah, those are it. But because there's not a whole lot of sun, you can't really see them. Okay.
I'm going to see if one wants to land on me. Hey, you want to land on me?
You're silly. Alright, watch out. I'm going to put it back in. This is the one you loosened up?
Uh-huh.
Okay, this one.
Whoa, you can like see the babies of it.
Where? Alright, go ahead. Try to lift it up. Slow. How's that on heavy? Is it heavy for you? There is...
Can you hold it?
Yep. Alright, go ahead and just put it back in. Because they're getting mad at us. Okay?
Like, wait, can you pick it up? And I want to see them. Can you pick that side up?
Hold on. You can see how they're louder? You can tell they're getting mad. Okay?
I'm just gonna get this
No, I think we're actually going to stop. Okay? Because they are getting mad. I can tell by the
noise.
Yeah, but I can see baby brood, so we're still good.
I wanna.
Hey, look. I don't want to put you into harm's way, and they are getting loud, okay? So we're gonna put these up.
Whoa, look at these ones.
Yep. See how they're all flying around like really bad now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're mad at us. I think because we're being a little too rough with the things. But that's okay. It's a learning process, alright? You got to see the bees, and that's all that matters. Okay? Okay, go ahead. I'll do this one, and you can do the next one, okay? This one's heavier.
Okay.
Oops, I just killed a bee.
Oh, where?
Right there. I squished it.
Oh, come on.
I know. Hang on. That is
that the honey?
No. Propolis. They're getting mad at me for doing that. Alright. Go ahead, pick it up, and slide it in there nice and slow. Nice and slow. Yep. Very slow. There you go. That's good. You just let it slide by itself.
One's trying to kill me.
No, it's just because it's mad. Alright. You want to grab the lid?
Yeah, I want to show them what the lid is.
Alright, we're going to smoke the top.
No, I want. Oh, you put the top out.
Okay, go ahead.
Pick that.
Go ahead and smoke it. It's trying to get all the bees out of the way so we don't squish them. Over here, there's a bunch over here. Alright, good job.
No, I wanted to smoke the lid.
No, this is good. We're just going to go slow. I heard a crunch. I know I killed one. I'm sorry. Bees, don't do that. Okay, you only do the top.
Yeah.
Alright? Hey, you need to listen to me or you're not going to be able to do this. Okay. Oops, I'm going to take this out.
We were about to squish one.
I know. I squished a couple. Sorry, bees. He was really excited and wanted to come out and check on the bees. So he did, and he did all right. I mean, he's got to chill just a little bit, but he did all right. So anyways, thanks for coming along at our 2-week bee checkup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.